another threat too. Lower Mississippi River Valley, Louisiana, Mississippi, those areas. I need to find an Anytime Fitness and get a quick pump in for this next storm. Beautiful Texas piney woods. I wonder if there are a lot of imperial moths out here. Imperial caterpillars. Oh yeah, it's gonna be crazy here. Once these storms mature to the north of Houston and kind of get moving into some slight back winds. No need for any evacuation right now. Kind of the calm that sometimes will creep into these tornado events. They come in waves or bubbles, so it'll like bubble way up and then calm down, and then you have to reposition the bubbles to back up again. Sometimes it'll just keep going, like the super outbreak in 2011. I think it doesn't have clean inflow yet through the southwest of Willis, but as soon as it does, I think it'll ramp up. I think you've got 2 southerly winds, but I can see some evidence of some backing just ahead of that line to the east of I-45. So I'm thinking that there could be a little evidence of some backing to the east of 45 that we got to keep an eye on. Exactly how I thought it would. Mesoscale discussion. The severe threat continues across much of southeast Texas as storms intensify. Storm intensification across southeast Texas has been gradual over the past several hours, with most storms struggling to maintain intensity, probably due to the numerous destructive storm interactions, collisions, outflows. Overall trend has been toward more intense updrafts, as evidenced by the polar cloud top signatures, echotops on radar. Velocity data showed a few weak, persistent low-level business cyclones. Environmentally, temperatures continue to warm into the mid-70s ahead of a broken line of storms delineating the primary surface trough. Bad profiles show strengthening winds to the 1 to 3 kilometer layer over the past 2 hours, 0 to 1 shift to 200. Further east into southeast Texas, cooler temperatures though, but a lot stronger wind shear up to 250. Latest high-res guidance suggests that the environment will continue to become more favorable for well-organized convection as the surface low deepens to the north. And given the aforementioned convective trends, further intensification appears probable through late afternoon. In the short term, the greatest severe tornado risk will likely be associated with the stronger south of the line approaching the Houston area and in far southeast Texas, where low-level mesocyclones associated with existing supercells have been noted. It's a nice little convective outlook. Kirbyville has one of those supercells nearby, but it didn't really ramp up. Still watching that Willis storm. Once it separates from the storm to the southwest of it, I think it'll... Alright, I'm going to shut that windshield wiper down for you guys just for sanity. That repetition can be tough. That Willis storm is really intensifying. Coming into Willis. Might even have some large hail in it. May end up waiting for a near west Livingston, Cold Spring, Shepherd. Yeah, that southern one too, south of Stagecoach. So that's interesting. If you get a mesocyclone with a supercell like this in this environment, it's probably going to be cruising wind sprayed within 60 miles an hour at least.